Little smiley face here. Right now we are running it in continuous mode. Well, in order to change it to cycle, you just hit this button here, and you see it says start-stop mode. So we're gonna dichotomy towards continuous. Continuous run mode selected. Now, let's say a broker called you, or a customer or shipper asked you to change the temperature to 36 degrees. So towards 36, hit the equal bar, 36 degrees, equal bar, that's it. Now, if you need to initiate defrost, just hit this button here, even though again I don't recommend doing so, because it's already pre-programmed in your reefer unit, unless it's mandatory. You run a pre-trip on a carrier unit, you go into menu, hit the second bar right here, pre-trip. It's going to ask you to start pre-trip, you hit the equal bar. Well, we're not going to do it. Shut the unit off.